Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2010 Haas VF2SS Vertical Machining Center. It's serial number 1081998. It has a Haas CNC control, 36 by 14 table, has a 24 tool side mount tool changer. It's a Cat 40 spindle, 12,000 RPM. Start with a couple tool changes. We'll run the spindle. That's about 2,500 RPM. That's 6,000. That's 9. Again, max RPM is 12,000 RPM. We'll jog the axes. That's your x-axis. Nice and quiet. That's your Y. And your Z axis. Again, all axes are nice and quiet. Machine runs as it should. You can see this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.